this video, we're going to look at an overview of the Set Appearance tool in the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. This tool automatically modifies the visual appearance of the existing links on one or more pages of a document. It's used to make it easier to change the visual appearance of multiple links at once. To use it, head to Plugins, then Links, and then Set Appearance. In the window that opens, you can choose to select a page range. Click the Edit Appearance button to change any visual qualities that you want the links to have. Click OK to proceed. The sample link box will display how the links are to look after modification. Click OK again. The report box will show the number of links that have been modified. The link's appearance on the selected pages will now have been changed. This tool comes in handy when it's necessary to modify existing documents to comply with certain requirements. Learn more and download the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat at evermap.com.